Hi guys, welcome back to Core HTML Mastery. In this video, we're going to be talking about lists. We're familiar with the idea of what a list is. It's basically a way of arranging text in a specific order. So for example, we have a blank HTML document here with a heading, My Shopping List. And there are two types of list elements we can make use of in HTML. So the first is unordered list. And the tag for that is UL. So let's create a new unordered list. And inside that unordered list element, we have list items or list elements, which make use of the li tag. So we have item 1, for example. Let's make a fake shopping list here. So let's just add some random items to our list. So we've opened the list tag, we've added an item, we've then closed that list tag. We'll have a look how this looks on the screen shortly. Let's just add a fourth item to the list. Let's save, let's refresh. And notice automatically we have some styling in place, which is we have those bullet points to designate different items on the list. Now we can style those using CSS. That's going to be outside the context of what we're doing today. But just keep in mind that those bullet points can be any symbol that you can imagine or want to make use of. In the earlier days of HTML, those bullets would have been styled with a type attribute. And it still works. We could do something like type equals square. When we refresh the page, we now have square bullet points instead of the original default circle bullet points. However, this is considered deprecated. Although it works, the correct way of styling the bullets is by using CSS, not HTML. So let's move on to our second type of list, which is an ordered list. And the best way to demonstrate the difference between an unordered list and an ordered list is just to create an ordered list. And the element tag for ordered list is OL. And once again, we just use list elements in the same way. So an example could be, imagine we were learning to count in a foreign language. Let's see how this works. So we're going to create 4 items on the list again. Let's save, let's refresh. So we can see our ordered list actually makes use of numbers. So the first item on the list has, instead of a bullet point, it has 1, the second item has 2, etc. Once again, the number appearance can be styled using CSS. There used to be an old way of doing this with HTML, similar to unordered lists. So we could do something like type equals I. And if you have a look now, our ordered list makes use of Roman numerals. But this is really just to show you one option in terms of how we could style our ordered list. We shouldn't actually be using HTML for this. If you want to learn more about styling bullet points, you can check out the CSS course, Core CSS Mastery. Well, that's pretty much it for lists in HTML. Nice and straightforward. It's basically just a way of arranging text in a list format. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next part of the course.